Why do you think क्यों people started loving you? इंडिया में फुटबॉल ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है इंडियन फुटबॉलर्स के लिए, but you outshined. Like if you name 10 footballers in India, probably people will be able to name like 2 or 3, and yours will be the first. तो ऐसा क्यों, आपको क्यों लगता है कि all of a sudden you became that poster boy?
One, it's a very difficult question for me to answer because one, अपनी तारीफ कैसे करूँ types. Number two, I do not know. I do know that I get a lot of love. And I've got a lot of, I don't take it for granted, and I have a lot of gratitude towards it back. I just retired from international football. And for the 1 month after I announced it and I played the game, the amount of fan mails through posts and social media I've got, it's unbelievable. And I generally don't get emotional, but because of the phase that I was in that time, and the way and the things that people said was, and I was just thinking, this is unreal. ये normally होता नहीं है. And again, I've lived 23 years of pampered, privileged life. Not 23, पहले के 3-4 साल निकाल दो. But I'm really pampered. I'm really, you go anywhere, everywhere.
Pampered meaning what?
Everything is, I mean, वो 2 घंटे 4 घंटे का अगर hard work निकाल दो, everything is taken care of. Everyone is nice to you. No lines, हर चीज़ हो जाता है. Because I've come from a very humble background where I knew these things are not normal. You got to work hard for everything. You don't get these things. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, चाहे वो जूते बार बार सिलवा के पहनना हो, चाहे वो anything for that matter, कुछ अलग से कुछ खाना हो, कहीं जाना हो. These things don't happen to people like us, normal people, you know. And then suddenly your life changes. When you go everywhere, people invite you, accept you with open arms. Everything is taken care of. And then जब वो starting में हो रहा था, you realize, because you're young and you're enjoying it, but suddenly when you get time and you sit back and you think, wow, what you do is you play. That is something that you always wanted. That is something, probably the only thing that you're good at. And now everyone loves you. Now you're getting paid for it. When you were getting paid for it when you're younger, it was decent. Now it is something which you couldn't have even thought. Then you meet different people. Wherever you go to airports, you don't, small things. It's a very petty thing, but you don't have to stand in line. There's a different line. You go there. And these things, these are not normal. Because I'm also mindful of what normalcy is in our country. I was one of them. And suddenly when you see this, you're like, wow, this is unbelievable. You don't wake up every day and think about it. But whenever you have time, you do tell yourself those unbelievable cheese. And you have got this because you do something that everyone wants. You want to play, he wants to play, everyone wants to play. When you're young,
all you want to do is play.
Everyone, no matter who you are, she or he, you think of becoming a sports star. I don't care who you are. एक time पे आपके दिमाग में आएगा ही आएगा, I want to be a sports star. Every kid.
Yeah.
So I'm living that dream. And even in that dream, when the question comes कि आप उस pinnacle में top पे हो, I do not know how to react. I only know it's unbelievable. I don't believe it too much कि मैं top पे हूँ वगैरह वगैरह. It was never the goal. But I do realize I live a very, very privileged life. Unbelievably privileged life, especially in my country.